When people think about improving curb appeal, they often imagine fresh landscaping, a new front door, or a fresh coat of paint. While those upgrades certainly make a difference, one of the most powerful ways to transform the look of your home is by investing in Replacement Windows Frisco Homeowners Trust. Windows are one of the first features people notice from the street. If they look outdated, worn, or mismatched, they can drag down the entire appearance of your property. On the other hand, stylish, modern windows instantly elevate your home's exterior and create a lasting impression. First impressions start with your windows. Your home's facade tells a story. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and well-maintained features all contribute to an inviting look. Old windows with peeling frames, foggy glass, or dated designs can make even a well-kept house seem neglected. Upgrading to Replacement Windows Frisco residents rely on gives your home a polished, refreshed appearance that stands out in any neighborhood. Modern window designs offer slimmer frames, larger glass areas, and crisp finishes that enhance architectural details. Whether your home is traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, there are window styles that complement and enhance its unique character. Modern styles that make a statement. One of the biggest advantages of installing Replacement Windows Frisco homes benefit from is the wide range of styles available. Double-hung windows offer a timeless look that suits almost any home. Casement windows add a sleek, modern touch with their clean lines. Bay and bow windows create dimension and visual interest, making your home appear larger and more elegant from the outside. You can also customize frame colors to match or contrast with your exterior paint. Dark frames create bold definition, while white or neutral tones provide a classic, clean finish. With the right choices, your windows can become a design feature rather than just a functional necessity. Increased natural light and visual appeal. New windows don't just improve the outside of your home, they enhance the interior as well. Larger panes and improved glass technology allow more natural light to enter your living spaces. This makes rooms feel brighter, more open, and more welcoming. From the exterior, this increased clarity and brightness create a crisp, well-maintained look. Clean, clear glass without condensation or discoloration sends a strong message that your home is cared for. Replacement Windows Frisco homeowners choose often feature advanced glass that resists fogging and improves visibility, keeping your home looking sharp year-round. Energy efficiency adds hidden value. Curb appeal isn't just about appearance, it's also about value. Energy-efficient windows are a major selling point in today's real estate market. Potential buyers in Frisco appreciate homes that are comfortable and cost-effective to maintain. Installing Replacement Windows Frisco homeowners recommend can significantly improve insulation, reduce drafts, and lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, which is especially important in Texas where summers can be intense. A home that looks beautiful and performs efficiently is far more attractive to buyers and neighbors alike. Boosting property value. Investing in Replacement Windows Frisco Residents Trust can deliver a strong return. Updated windows increase perceived value because buyers know they won't need to replace them anytime soon. The clean, modern look immediately signals that the home has been updated and maintained. Even if you're not planning to sell, improved curb appeal enhances pride of ownership. Pulling into your driveway and seeing a home that looks fresh and inviting can make a big difference in how you feel about your property. Long-lasting beauty with low maintenance. Today's replacement windows are built to last. Vinyl and composite frames resist warping, cracking, and peeling. That means your home maintains its beautiful appearance with minimal upkeep. Instead of repainting frames every few years, you can enjoy durable finishes that stay looking new. In a growing and competitive housing market like Frisco, standing out matters. Replacement Windows Frisco homeowners invest in provide a practical, stylish, and value-boosting solution. By upgrading your windows, you're not just improving your home's efficiency. You're creating a striking first impression that enhances curb appeal and makes your property shine for years to come.